The Red Devil 9-inch Extreme Duty Caulk Gun is a professional-grade caulk gun engineered for quality, comfort, and efficiency. Designed with a 26:1 thrust ratio applicator with 950 pounds of force, this gun easily extrudes high viscosity materials like hybrid adhesives and epoxies. It includes a quick-release lever to reduce product waste and increase efficiency, plus an ergonomic rubber trigger for better comfort and grip. The 9-inch Extreme Duty Caulk Gun also holds most standard cartridges and features a revolving, easy-load barrel with drip-free technology. The 26:1 thrust ratio ensures for steady material distribution regardless of material viscosity. The 9-inch Extreme Duty Caulk Gun also includes a sealed puncture tool for quick use and a ladder hook for convenient storage. Visit reddevil.com today for more information.